Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Here we are going to use the copper wire making the letter T. Hi Stephanie, happy to see you. So the first we go to make the letter big T. We are making a loop first. This one. First the loop here. And we are making the letter T. There are two different ways to make the big T. First, we are going to tie it here. And this way. Okay. So this is the letter T. And we go to fold it back. Okay, here. So this is the big T that we just finished. This one. And if we are make the little T, we can start it this way here. Little T, we can go fold it here this way and go to fold it to the back like here. Okay. Then we go fold it to the top. Okay. So it's bend it to the top this way and put your plier. Fold it the small tips here. Then bend it. Okay. Then here, bend here. So this is the little T. Big T and the little T. Here. We are going to make the second time. Okay, second time I going to make another way of the letter T. Second way, fold it here. Okay. And we are going to fold it to the back. Here. Then bend it here. Then again fold it to the front, to the back, and the tight. Okay, here. Then here we are fold a little bit. And fold it. It's like this. We are not tight here. Then tight and bend the wire. And tight at this part. bend the wire. So it's here, and tight it. After, then we go to twist here. Then, so this is the T finish. Yeah, this is the T finish here.